Dessert is an important thing after having a meal. Something sweet, something really delicious. So I thought I will do a chocolate mousse. So I will show you how to make it. First thing, for any kind of mousse, we need more egg whites. So I'm using 3 egg whites and I'm going to beat it very well. Once it becomes very stiff, I will start adding sugar 150 grams. Little by little keep adding the sugar. Now we will stop this. So I'll reduce slowly. Now what I am going to do is, let this be as it is. I am going to have a little bit of water into the pan. A little water into the pan and we will boil this. Meanwhile, we'll take a bowl, put about 2 teaspoons of gelatin. 2 teaspoons gelatin. And we need 2 dessert spoons of cocoa. The water is boiling. So now what I am going to do is, when the water boils, I am using the boiling water into this gelatin and chocolate cocoa. Now I need the coffee, Nescafe or whatever you like. Coffee means whatever coffee you like you can use. 1.5 teaspoons. Now all this I have mixed together into the beaten ingredients, that is egg white and sugar. I am going to add this. Once you mix it nicely, beat it well, all the chocolate, coffee, and we have used even cocoa, gelatin, everything. Now I am using a little chocolate essence. If you like, you can use a little chocolate essence, but vanilla is very important. Even if you don't have chocolate essence, you can use vanilla essence. Now I need about 150 grams of cooking chocolate. Cooking chocolate you grate and add it into this straight away. If in our country there is a small problem, that is we can't keep this, actually grate and keep it, because for the heat of our country it gets melted. So cooking chocolate is always, what do? Kept in a cupboard, not in the fridge. You should not keep the cooking chocolate in the fridge. I am using as much as possible. 150 grams I need. Now that also I have mixed it into this. It will get melted on its own. We don't have to beat it again. So now what I am going to do is, the mixture is almost ready. Lastly, but see, I am going to use whipping cream. 2 cups of whipping cream we need. 2 cups of whipping cream. Yummy. The whipping cream is very important. You have to use the whipping cream also. Beat it nicely, mix it well with all this together. Oh, it's lovely. This is called the mousse. If you want to have this mousse, you can have it for each person separately. Set it now. After setting it in the fridge, that we are going to use it. Say within an hour it will get set. Either you make it today and use it, or tomorrow you can have it. Day after you can have it, so no problem. How is it? I have done the chocolate mousse for you and I have kept it to set, and I have already done and kept for you to see how once it's set how it's going to be. Not only that, it's going to be decorated. That is only grated cooking chocolate is being added, and it could be kept again in the fridge. Whenever you need, you're going to use it. So we will see what we are going to do now. The cooking chocolate. It's a decoration. That's the decoration. No more decoration for that. Dessert is ready. It's nice and firm. You can see. Now this could be served easily. My chocolate mousse is ready and it's set, and I have nicely decorated with a little grated chocolate. I thought I will have with that some kisses also, so that it will look a little more presentable, and it's so nice. But actually it's not necessary, but you could have that also, so that it's a little colorful. It's nice. First, when I take it, you know what I will do? I will take the kisses, put it in my mouth, and then I will start eating. That's how I am going to serve it. And this mousse is ready. Today you make it. You can have it after an hour. You can have it for tomorrow. You can have it for day after tomorrow. It's lovely. As I told you, the mousse is really nice, and you could always have it. You know how we made it? Egg white is very important. Sugar is important, and then the whipping cream is important. So we used all three things. Now I put the chocolate now. Now if you want to have coffee, you can have more coffee and a bit of chocolate, cocoa, so that the combination will be nice. Then it will be coffee mousse. If I want, I can have orange. That is, you squeeze the orange and take the juice, and we could use it while I am beating egg white, sugar, and I could use even the orange juice, which is boiled with the gelatin and poured, so that it will be nice. So like that you can do any kind of mousse. Hope you will enjoy preparing this type of preparation, because something nice, something really useful for all of us. And if you want to have many more of my recipes, not only puddings, cakes, savories and all that, if you want all that, what we have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will get many more recipes. More than 100, 150 recipes I have already put. So you will enjoy watching all that and prepare it also. Quick, easy. Try it. Thank you for watching.